Yeah, cash prize. It has a cash prize of 5,000. We have around 320 active participants, confirmed participants till now, and it will be broadcasted live on YouTube. Yeah. But you know, you need to do it continuously without a break.
For how much duration? I'll wear mask then. Mask is allowed?
Not allowed.
It's not written.
Not allowed. We'll mention everything later. थोड़ी देर ये दिस इज अ मेंटल अवेयरनेस, दिस इज सोशल अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम ओनली. यू नो, यू नीड टू समटाइम्स स्पेस आउट एंड लेट योर थॉट्स वेन. हाँ. He'll not speak. He's practicing for the do nothing contest. Not allowed. Thank you so much. These are the very simple rules you need to follow to win, and you can register for free. You just need to DM IMN @ do nothing contest. We'll register you for absolutely free. We have around 350 participants till now participating in this contest, and it will be broadcasted live on YouTube. You can come if you are free on 25th December. It will be a hell of an experience. You can join us with your friends.
You're free on 25th.
25th, not 26th. Yeah, 25th. It's a holiday. You can check us out on our Instagram @ do nothing contest, and you can DM IMN. The entry is completely free.
Okay, so ये कहाँ पर हो रहा है contest?
In CP.
In CP.
Yeah, in CP on 25th December. The rules are very simple.
Everything is free. Entry
Everything is free. Everything is free. It has around 320. Sorry? No. This is just a pamphlet.
Okay.
Yeah. Do nothing contest. The entry is completely free. You can win 5,000 rupees. These are the very simple rules you need to follow to win. And it's on 25th December at 12 p.m. in CP. It's very easy. If you need to register, you can DM IMN @ do nothing contest. We'll register you for completely free.
What is it exactly?
These are the rules. It is a social awareness program to, for mental peace.
For?
Mental peace. To space out and to relax for a bit. To leave your phones and everything, talking, smiling. Just you and your thoughts.
Not bad.
We have judges, we have live broadcast on YouTube. We have around 350 participants, confirmed participants, and it all will be broadcasted live on YouTube. If anybody has any doubts like I am not out, they will be given video evidence that they moved.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That will be amazing. Actually.
Yeah. Excuse me, we are hosting a contest, do nothing contest. The entry is free. You can win 5,000 rupees. These are the rules, very simple rules. You have to simply do nothing. You can register at the do nothing contest. DM us IMN. We'll register you for free. Yeah. Hey guys, we are hosting a contest, the do nothing contest. The entry is completely free, and you can win 5,000 rupees on Christmas. You just need to DM IMN @ do nothing contest. The rules are very simple. You have to do literally nothing. These are the very simple rules. And the last one doing nothing wins 5,000. It has more than 325 participants till now, and it's only growing. And it will be broadcasted live on YouTube. Hi guys, we are hosting a contest, do nothing contest. You can win 5,000 rupees by doing absolutely nothing. These are the 14 rules, very simple, very easy. The entry is completely free. At @ do nothing contest, you can DM IMN. We'll register you for free. It has around 350 participants till now, and around 12. Yeah, and it will go on for maybe like 2-3 hours till the. Yeah, of course. If you can share it, it would be helpful. You're welcome. Hi guys, we are hosting a contest, the do nothing contest. The entry is completely free. You can win 5,000 rupees. You can win 5,000 rupees. Just need to DM IMN @ do nothing contest. These are the very simple rules to win. You need to do nothing to win. In CP, we are hosting a contest, the do nothing contest. You can win 5,000 by doing absolutely nothing. And till the end, the entry is completely free. You just need to DM IMN @ do nothing contest. These are the simple rules. You have to go through them. You can go through them. Hi guys, we are hosting a contest, do nothing contest. The entry is completely free. You can win 5,000 rupees. You just need to DM IMN @ do nothing contest. These are the very simple 14 rules you need to follow. And if you are the last one doing nothing, you win. Very simple. It has more than 300 participants till now. You can DM us on Instagram, do nothing contest. IMN will register you for free, completely free. Hi guys, we are hosting a do nothing contest. The entry is completely free. You can win 5,000 on Christmas. You can DM IMN @ do nothing contest. These are the simple rules. You can go through them if you want. Yeah. We are hosting a do nothing contest. You have to do nothing. The rules are very simple. And you can win 5,000 rupees. The entry is free. These are the rules. These are the rules. These 14 rules.
How long is this for?
Till the last one remains. Till the there are around 300 participants. Till the last one remains, you have to Be there. Last one doing nothing wins. Yeah, you can check us out on Instagram. Do nothing contest. Do nothing contest, brother. Entry is free. These are the rules.